Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1967 Mustang Fastback. What are some of the highlights on our engine build here? We have the 347 Ford power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads. You have the red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the Ford blue, proper oil pan, front sump oil pan for the 67 Mustang, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter, all the loop clamps installed, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, it's real nice Cobra valve covers, breathers on there, Cobra air cleaner, Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there, throttle return spring, bracket and throttle cable ball installed. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system will be completely dialed in. The menu screen, all the settings will be set, plug and play, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes, fully tested. Timing will be set, ready to go. We have the proper automatic flex plate, customers running an AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. All the manifold vacuum fittings installed for vacuum hookups, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell, gas line, AN fittings up to the Sniper EFI, chrome dipstick and tube, this real nice Wraptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow aluminum water pump, proper lower hose location for the 67 Mustang on the passenger side, thermostat housing installed, thermostats installed, bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all set. So this is the way you get it, a complete custom built engine for your vehicle. So there you have it again, our 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine, the roller cam and Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.